How to learn BSL? Now let's address how to learn BSL or British Sign Language. There are many ways of learning BSL, but some ways are simply better than others. In no particular order, the most effective ones are 1. Taking sign language classes. 2. Learning online by watching videos or taking an online course. 3. Hiring a private, qualified sign language tutor. As for how long it takes to learn BSL, it depends on your goal, where you're learning it, and how much time you're willing to invest in it. Whichever way you choose to learn BSL and however much time it takes, it's totally worth every effort you put into it. Learning any language can be satisfying, but BSL especially can be both beneficial and well worth it for you. So let's get into our first discussion. What are the best ways to learn BSL? In the modern age of smartphones, you can learn just about anything with the touch of a finger. The same goes for learning BSL as well. But there's a catch. None of these will teach you the language effectively. Just like spoken language, there's a method that you need to follow and then practice. The more you practice, the more fluent you become. So among the 3 best ways to learn BSL, the first one is